Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing okay. So let's see if we can speed this up a little bit so people can get back to their nice weekend. So in case you're new, I'm going to try to break down like the Defiance ETFs like week over week, just to kind of see how the funds are doing. So near the top, you see like IWMY is 163 million. Then you see like the breakdown by the treasury, cash, and options. And then you kind of see like on the near like the middle like right hand side, you see like the sum per share, so it's $15.52. Then you see the further breakdown by the treasury, cash, and options on a per share basis. So last week started off at like collecting 9 cents, and then for to start the new week, sorry about all the background noise. So you see the fund grew to like 168 million, and then like the per share is $15.80, and then unfortunately the option premium collected to start the new short week on Tuesday is going to be 7 cents. So let's go back to here and then go back to JEPY. So JEPY started off last week at 129 million, $16.41 per share, and the option premium is kind of skimpy at 3 cents. But then let's see what it looks like for the new week. So it's pretty much about the same. And then option premium to start the new week is only 4 cents, which is a slight improvement, but still. And then QQQY 249 million, $15.05 per share. Again, pretty skimpy premium at 4 cents. But let's see. Well, okay, so for the new week, starts off at 5 cents, so it's better than nothing. But hopefully, the week will be pretty quiet, and then like the market will slowly creep up. And then let's take a look at SPYT. Okay, so SPYT is at 13 million, and I'm glad like on a per share it's close to like $20. And this time like I had because it's done as a covered call, so I did like the option position as like $19.39, and then the rest of it's cash. So and then for the new week it's $19.97. So I mean it's a slight decrease, but it's not too bad. Then you notice like the market value is slowly creeping up, and just be careful with this one. Just like any other ETF, it could be subject to tourist erosion. And then let's take a look at Trez. Trez is 13 million. It's $17.42 per share. And then you look at the option position, because this one is a more of a debit spread style of ETF. So you notice like the option over here starts from the last week is 42 cents positive, and then unfortunately the option position decreased to 29 cents. But on a per share basis, it there's a slight decrease. And then let's take a look at the new guy, USO. Also, interestingly enough, is at 3 million already. So I'm thinking maybe at some point USOY might be like a more popular, just like a trading product in general. So it might actually surpass Trez eventually. And then like this guy, it's not off to a bad start. It's $20.24. So option premium collected, looks pretty juicy. At 34 cents, but again, it's still relatively new, so hopefully this doesn't get too crowded. And then unfortunately the share price slid back, but then like the option position, you also notice like it kind of like slid a little bit also from 34 to like 27 cents. But again, like oil is one of those products that like as soon as something bad happens in another part of the world, the energy prices might spike up. But that's bad news for us. But let's try to hope for the best. Hopefully things won't get too crazy. And just let's take a look at to see if there was any discounts like over the course of the week, this past week. Well, in general, we don't get that many chances to get discounts, unfortunately. So unfortunately, like if you, as you notice, like the past week, I was actually trading at a slight premium. And then let's take a look at JEPY as well. Yeah, so same thing for JEPY, and then probably for triple QY as well. So let's take a look at any. Yeah, there's not much of a discount at all. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, same thing for SPYT. And then let's take a look at Trez. Maybe there's some discounts here. Wow, even for Trez, like hasn't been any discounts. I'm guessing the same thing for the USOY as well. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no discounts for Defiance ETFs this week, but it was a pretty slow week, so I guess like people don't mind overpaying a little bit, but again, just be careful out there. If you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like. If you subscribe as well, that's greatly appreciated. So thank you for watching. I hope people have a great weekend. So take care out there.